Welcome, here I've got REALME Narzo 35G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the camera settings. Now let's focus on composition. When we pick it, we can find the level at the last position here, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. When we move back to the camera preview, we have this kind of lines at the center. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And as you can see, this is how it works. And of course, when we don't need the leveler, we have to move back to the right corner settings, to the composition, and tap to the right button to turn it off. So for now in the preview, it has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.